I'm Maria, and I'm a technical writer at Google. You might know Dart as the language behind Flutter. While that's a big part of the story, Dart is much more than just Flutter's foundation. Today, we're going to explore what makes Dart special. Dart is a client-optimized language purpose-built for applications that users interact with directly. This means whether you're building mobile apps, web applications, desktop software, or even command line tools, Dart is designed with the end-user experience in mind. What does it mean to be client-optimized? It starts engineering philosophy with 3 core values. First, developer productivity. You should be a happy, productive developer who can write code quickly and iterate without friction. Dart's syntax is clean and familiar, making it easy to pick up and enjoyable to work with. Second, end-user performance. Your app should have quick startup times, run at 60 frames per second, and have buttery smooth animations. Third, true multi-platform. A single Dart code base can be compiled into native mobile, desktop, and web applications. It can be used to write scripts, servers, UIs, and more. Dart is a modern, multi-paradigm programming language designed to feel familiar if you're coming from curly-brace languages like JavaScript, C#, or Kotlin. It's fundamentally object-oriented, which is fantastic for writing organized, modular, and reusable code, features that happen to work great for writing UI code, like in Flutter. But it's also flexible, embracing functional features like higher-order functions, closures, and pattern matching. This multi-paradigm approach gives you the best of both worlds. You can structure your code using classes and use expressive functional features within your class methods. All this behavior is wrapped up in a sound static type system. If the type checker tells you a variable is a string, that's a guarantee, even at runtime. And if you make a mistake, the type checker lets you know. You can't add a fish to your list of cats, even if it's called my pets. And while types are mandatory for safety, type annotations are not. Dart has rich type inference, and idiomatic Dart omits most annotations, giving you all the safety of types without the verbosity. Nope, you still can't get in, bud. Dart also features sound null safety, which prevents entire categories of common bugs by ensuring values cannot be null unless you explicitly allow them to be. The type system enforces this at compile time, so null reference errors become a thing of the past. We've covered the fundamentals of Dart as a language, its philosophy, syntax, and type system. In the next video, you'll learn about the Dart platform, which includes developer tools, build tools, and more.